Okay, good morning everyone. I'm Rishabh Gupta, your maths teacher. Let us start with the lesson number 4 of module 2. Find the percent of a number. Let us understand it with the help of an example. Okay, let's see. Let's say you went to a shopping mall, let's say Carrefour, hmm, and there was a bag. Let's say the cost of the bag was 200 dirhams. Okay, now the shopkeeper said that we are giving you a 20% discount, a 20% discount. So I said I need the discount in dirham, not in percent. So he said, no problem. Find the 20% of 200 and you will get dirhams. So we have to find 20% of 200 because we are getting a 20% discount on the price of the bag, correct? So we have to find the percent of a number. This is the lesson. How will I solve this? Very simple. Remember, percent यानी what? You know that. Taksim 100. Yes? And there is one new word here, of. This of means multiply. Of means multiply. So let us use them here in this question. The percent will become Taksim 100. Of will become multiply. Then 200. If you see zero up and if you see zeros at the end of number in the numerator and denominator, up and down, you can cut them. So 10 here, 10 down, 10 up, class. 10 down, 10 up. The zeros should be in the last, not in the middle. Okay. So what is left now? This is gone. Khalas, finish. 2 times 20. 2 times 20 yani 40. So the discount was of 40 dirhams. Yani how much will I pay? 200 minus 40, 160 dirham. So this is how we find the percent of a number. Let us do some questions, okay, and try to learn it better. Okay, now let us read the first question. The graph shows the type of snacks that the students at York Middle School brings them to school. Okay, so this graph, this pie chart here, it tells me about the different type of snacks that the students are bringing to the school. How many students are bringing fruits? 23%. How many? 23%. How many are bringing cheese? 15%. Veggies 17%, cookies 15%, chips 18%, snacks 12%. So total is 100. Total will be how much? 100%. So out of 100%, the categories are given, right? Okay. Suppose there are 300 students at the school. Yani this 100% means how many students? 300 students. How many of them bring cheese as a snack? So we are looking for cheese. Where is cheese? Here. And cheese is how much? 15%, correct? Yani the cheese snacks are 15% of the total students. Of the total students. Correct? 15%. So 15% of total, how many students are there? 300, correct? Of 300. Now we have to solve this. Percent yani taksim 100 divide 100. Know that. Of means multiply, and here 300. Now I told you I can see two zeros down at the end and two zeros up at the end. So up and down two zeros, khalas. What do I have now? Finally 15 times 3. So 15 times 3 will give me 45. It means that out of 300 students, out of a total of 300 students, 45 brings the cheese snack. 45 brings the cheese snack. So this is the answer. Next question. He said evaluate yani find the value of this expression. 145% of 80. So 145% yani divided by 100, of यानी multiply, and here 80. Now again 1 0 in the last, 1 in 0 in the last, khalas. Correct? Okay. Now here, can I do Taksim? See, do you see 8 and 10? Let me write it like this. 145 times 8 over 10 now. Okay. Now see 8 and 10 both comes in the table of 2. So I can do Taksim 2 here, Taksim 2 here. 8 divided by 2, 4, and 10 divided by 2, 5. Okay. Now see what do I have here? 5 here up in the last and 5 in the last. Yani here I can do Taksim 5. Correct? So 5 divided by 5, 1. Khalas yani. And 145 divided by 5. Okay, let me show you because the students does not know the tables well. So see, we are doing Taksim 5, yes? Can I start with the 1? No, because the 1 is smaller than 5. Let us take two numbers. Can I start with the 14? Yes, because the 14 is bigger than 5. Do I have 14 in the table of 5? No. So what will I do? I will choose a smaller number. 5 times 2 will give me 10. This is the closest number and smallest number in the table of 5 to 14. Okay. Now do minus. 14 minus 10, 4. Now what will I do? I have another number here. Yes, we will bring it down. Now I have 45. Do I have 45 in the table of 5? Yes. 5 times 9 will give me 45. Do minus, get 0. This is your answer. How much? 29. Now what do I have left here? 29 times 4. So 29 times 4, it will be 116. Let me show it to you here again. 29 times 4, 9 times 4, 36. So 6 here, 3 up. 4 times 2, 8. 8 and 3, 11. So 116. Okay. Now let us move to the next question. 0.25%. Percent यानी तकसीम 100. Of यानी multiply, then 60. Check 1 0 in the last, 1 0 in the last, gone. Correct? Now simply here do not touch the 10. I will tell you one trick. This is 0.25, this is times 6. So do 0.25 times 6. 5 times 6, 30, 0 here, 3 up. 6 times 2, 12, 12 and 3, 15. So 5 here, 1 up. 6 times 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1. Okay. Now after point, how many number here? 2 numbers. So after 2 numbers, put the point. This will become 1.5. So 1.5 over how much? 10. Now check. How many zeros are there down? Only 1 0, right? So you remove the 10 and shift the decimal one step towards the left. So this will become 0.15. This will be the answer. Okay. I hope you understood. Let us move. Okay. So this lesson is over. This lesson was small. You just have to use the same trick. Percent means divided by 100. Of means multiply. If you see 0 in the last, you cut them. Solve it. Multiply, divide, and get the answer. Okay. That is it. I hope you understood the lesson. Practice the question from the book. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Goodbye. Have a great day.